can I get some ice cream, please?
Of course. What do you want?
I want 1 chocolate ice cream, please.
I want some ice cream. Hurry up.
I got the money. And here is the ice cream. Bye.
Bye.
Finally, now I can get ice cream. That took a long time.
Selling ice cream.
I want some ice cream, please. Can I have one?
Money, please.
Money? I don't have any money.
No money, no ice cream. Selling ice cream.
Ah, what a delicious ice cream. Nice.
I don't have money. So I'll make a car wash. Yeah, that's a good idea. Guys, I made a car wash. Look at it. Awesome! Who wants to go in my car wash? If your car is dirty, come to my car wash. Type 1, $10. Type 2, $20. Or wash type 3, you need $50. Who wants to go to this car wash? Who wants to go into Jason's car wash? Oh no! Oh no, there are no customers. Hey, I see a customer. Let's see if he wants to get a car wash.
Yay!
Hey, do you want to get a car wash?
Car wash? No, my car is completely clean. Look.
His car's not dirty. That's not good.
Oh no!
I'm getting another ice cream. Haha.
Oh no, no customers. What? I've got a good plan with this paint. I'm going to make his car yellow. I hope he doesn't see this. Okay, let's put yellow paint on his car.
Ah, let's get back to the car.
Oh, let's get out. Who wants to get a car wash?
Ah. Wait. Huh? What? Who did this? Oh no, I think I need to go to the car wash.
The customer is coming.
All right, I'm going to the car wash.
Just tell me what you want to do.
Let me see. Type 3, please. There you go, sir.
Thank you. You can sit where you want to. Let's clean this Jeep. That was a good idea.
Awesome!
Now it's time for water.
Hurry up, man. Hurry up, I need to get more ice cream.
I'm going to try the car, that's it. Sir, your car is clean. You can get inside.
Ah, finally. Thank you so much. Seems completely clean. Thank you. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, now I can buy some ice cream.
Selling ice cream.
I'd like to buy some ice cream.
Money, please. Thank you.
Let's eat the ice cream.